Refrigeration reinvented. TurboAir's salad and sandwich prep units. The salad and sandwich prep unit features ergonomically designed door handles, LED light and fan control, an exclusive forced air cold bunker, and our patented self-cleaning condenser, all standard. With rounded corners for safety and stainless steel shelves to keep your food sanitary and organized, this state-of-the-art prep unit makes use of every square inch. And unlike other brands, TurboAir places the digital temperature control right out front, so you can monitor and change the temperature without opening the doors. Our exclusive LED lighting and fan system is a real energy saver. When the unit is opened, the fan automatically shuts off, so hot air isn't drawn in from outside. This keeps the temperature at the level you want and guarantees nothing gets spoiled or wasted. And the LED array lights every corner to make finding the right ingredients quick and simple. Only TurboAir offers an innovative cold bunker system to maintain the perfect environment for your supplies. This forced air system covers the entire food pan area, creating a protective temperature shield. So even when the cover is open, the bunker maintains an NSF-required temperature of 41 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition, there's a panel that separates the pans from the reach-in portion to prevent food from spilling into that area. Best of all, the salad and sandwich prep unit will run smoothly for years to come. Introducing our patented self-cleaning condenser, which saves thousands of dollars in maintenance costs and hundreds of hours in lost time. A fine mesh filter catches dust, while rotating brushes run daily to move dirt away from the condenser. This revolutionary device comes at no additional cost. We have the most models registered with the Department of Energy and Energy Star in the entire commercial refrigeration industry. Join the TurboAir family today and enjoy flawless design, state-of-the-art technology, and the fastest service in the industry, all at an incredible value. Every customer has the right to choose the best product. TurboAir, refrigeration reinvented.